Hey guys, good morning. How you doing? So this is kind of a weird thing that I've been wanting to talk about for a while, and just kind of just kind of look at, right? Because I think it's pretty weird how consistent this moon phase or the moon phases are for Bitcoin, which is fucking weird, dude. Like I don't know, right? I don't know what's going on with this thing, but apparently Bitcoin actually does really, really well with moon phases, right? So you have a full moon here, you have a new moon up here. And apparently, every single time there's a new moon, you have the start of a rally, and every single time there's a new moon. So full moon is the white one, new moon is the little lighter gray one, you have a sell off. So boom, right? New moon or full moon, slightly raised. But the most important part here, or the thing that I like to actually note the most, is that you can actually see what is it called? The new moon is actually pretty consistent on every single sell-off. I wouldn't care too much on what is it called? I wouldn't care too much on the actual buy-in because I feel like I can do that a little bit better myself. But I mean, you can't deny the fact that this is pretty accurate. Like new moon right here, but I mean, you still get a sell-off around that area. Full moon, run, full moon, run, new moon, kind of trade sideways. But this is just one of those crazy things, and I'm using the daily chart, right? It's not really, I'm not using any other chart. It's just the daily. And I looked at the weekly, the monthly, whatever. It doesn't really work all that well with other charts. It's just a daily. But I mean, come on, like this is weird, man. Like how does this not make you actually think about like, whoa, what the fuck, like how like astrology actually coming into play with the way that humans kind of work with each other, like work and stuff, right? This is just trippy, right? Like the fact that it's been pretty consistent and actually predicting what's gonna happen. And the thing is, we're gonna have another full moon like sometime today or tomorrow, like right, like sometime today at September 18th or September 19th. I think we have another full moon. And I want to see what the actual average rally is whenever a full moon gets created. Um, so that would be really cool. I just want to see what the average rally is, and then I'll probably come back and make another video. But it's just weird. If you want to look it up, it's actually called moon phase. All you gotta do is go to Trading View, and your indicators. Just type in moon phase. It's public for everybody, right? So super insane, super crazy. It's one of those things where I'm just kind of like, whoa, like how does this, And the thing is though, I'm actually using the reverse MACD, right? So, um, keep in mind that, for example, if something was going to sell off, if you wanted to buy here, I wouldn't buy until we're right here, right? I wouldn't buy until we're right here, like around this area. But this full moon would have told me to buy up here. And then see for like right here. I would have personally bought right here. This is where I would have bought this very first this big bullish candle, right? And with the full moon indicator, you would have bought like up here. So if anything, I can kind of use this as an indication of a continuation in price. So if I buy it right here and then you get a full moon like right here somewhere, it just means that we're gonna keep continuing up to the upside, right? It's just weird how that works. But yeah, super crazy indicator. All you gotta do is type in moon phase on TradingView, and then you get this. So go check it out for yourself. Let me know if you find anything interesting, any interesting details, or if you can, see this on any work on any other crypto or any other basically any stock, any crypto, any indice, metals, whatever. Let me know if it works for anything else, because I'm not about to go through 1,000 charts. I'd rather everybody else, we all do different stuff. So let me know in the comments if you tried it and what it actually seems to be like working with, which because it's weird. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.